The top Southwestern Oregon Community College Nursing 2025 t-shirt is a perfect way to celebrate your achievement as a nursing student while representing your school with pride. This exclusive t-shirt has been designed specifically for nursing students of Southwestern Oregon Community College who are set to graduate in 2025. Whether you're wearing it to class, clinicals, or just out and about, this shirt speaks volumes about your dedication to the nursing profession and your commitment to I don't want generic let's get you moving and in the sun and journaling stuff. I need help so bad and I don't know where to go. Any suggestions would be amazing. Other products, 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 products.